Have you ever wondered what a black hole is? How do they form? What happens if you fall into one? In this video, we will explore these questions and more about these mysterious objects in space. A black hole is a region of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. It is an extremely dense object from which no particle, including photons of light, can escape. The boundary around the black hole where the escape speed equals the speed of light is known as the event horizon. Anything that passes beyond this point is consumed by the black hole and can't get out. The actual hole is a point in space where matter is infinitely dense, known as a singularity. Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse under the force of their own gravity, creating an object with incredibly high density and gravitational pull. The gravity of a black hole is so strong that even light cannot escape it, making it invisible to the naked eye. Black holes form from the remnants of large stars that have undergone a specific sequence of events. Here's the general process. Star's life cycle. A star spends most of its life in a stage called the main sequence, where it is burning hydrogen into helium in its core. This process releases a tremendous amount of energy, which pushes outward and counteracts the inward pull of gravity. End of fuel. When a star has a mass about 20 times or more than our Sun, it eventually exhausts the hydrogen fuel in its core. Without this fuel, the star begins to collapse under its own gravity. Supernova explosion. The star's core collapses and the outer layers of the star explode in a brilliant event known as a supernova. This supernova can outshine the entire galaxy in which the star resides for a brief period. Formation of black hole. If the mass of the remaining core is more than about 3 times the mass of our Sun, the force of gravity overwhelms all other forces. The core continues to collapse, condensing into an extremely small point with immense density. This creates a gravitational field so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape it. This is a black hole. But not all stars become black holes. Only the very largest stars have the mass necessary to become black holes. Smaller stars, like our Sun, end their life as white dwarfs or neutron stars. There are 3 main types of black holes, classified by their mass: stellar black holes, intermediate mass black holes, and supermassive black holes. Stellar black holes. These are the most common type of black holes, formed by the collapse of individual stars. They typically have masses between about 3 and dozens of times the mass of our Sun. Stellar black holes are spread throughout galaxies, including the Milky Way. Intermediate mass black holes. These black holes are less well understood and their existence is still a topic of ongoing research. They're thought to have masses between 100 and 10,000 solar masses. Supermassive black holes. These are the largest type of black holes, with masses ranging from hundreds of thousands to billions of times the mass of the Sun. Supermassive black holes are usually found in the center of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. The exact process of their formation is still a topic of active research. Some theories suggest they formed from large gas clouds or large clusters of dark matter in the early universe, while others propose they are the result of a chain reaction of collisions of stars and dense stellar clusters. If you ever get close to a black hole, which we do not recommend, you will experience some strange effects due to its extreme gravity. Firstly, you will see the environment distorted by the gravitational lensing effect, which bends light around massive objects like magnifying glasses. Secondly, you will feel tidal forces that stretch or compress objects depending on their distance from the center of gravity, like tides on Earth caused by the gravity of the Moon. Thirdly, and most importantly, you will face spaghettification, which tears objects into thin strands as they approach the event horizon, like pasta becomes thinner when cooked. Once you have crossed the event horizon, if you have survived spaghettification, There is no turning back. You are doomed to fall towards the singularity center of the black hole, where all matter is crushed into infinite density and zero volume, or maybe something else happens, but we don't know. What would you see inside a black hole? Well, nobody knows for sure, because no information can escape from beyond the event horizon, hence they are called black. Some theories suggest that time slows down near the singularity until it comes to a complete stop. Others suggest that space twists into higher dimensions. Others suggest that there could be wormholes or portals to other universes. But these are all speculations based on mathematics, not observations. So it's probably better not to find out what's inside a black hole unless you want to take an ultimate risk for science. In the Milky Way, there are both stellar black holes and supermassive black holes at the center of the galaxy. Stellar black holes are formed when massive stars explode and collapse as supernovae. They typically have a mass of a few times that of the Sun. The supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way is called Sagittarius A. It has a mass of about 4 million times that of the Sun. Although it is an extremely massive black hole, it is relatively small compared to other supermassive black holes found in other galaxies. Thanks for joining our journey into black holes. Like this deep dive? Hit like and share your thoughts in the comments. Not subscribed yet? Join us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon. Let's respect our wondrous universe, and remember, steer clear of black holes. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and keep exploring.